Let's move to today's coronavirus numbers and another significant increase to report. State telling us there are 2,364 new cases of COVID-19 since yesterday, and that is the highest single-day count since May. 51 more deaths also being reported. That includes 10 from a vital records review.
And as the Delta variant continues to spread in Michigan, the kids are all back in class and school districts are facing the huge task of determining who needs to quarantine after an exposure and who doesn't.
And today, the state health department issued updated guidelines to help clear up some of the confusion over that. We bring in Dr. Frank McGeorge here with more on it. Doc.
Yeah, Kim and Devin. So, it's really critical to have one set of guidelines that schools and local health departments can use to make these decisions because, honestly, they are going to be making a lot of them in the near future. Now, the guidelines clearly reflect that the risk from an exposure varies depending on whether or not a student is vaccinated, how far students are spaced apart, and whether or not the individuals involved were wearing masks. COVID will find a way into local classrooms, but stopping it from spreading is key. The new guidance spells out what to do if a student is exposed to someone with COVID but isn't showing any symptoms. If the exposed student is vaccinated, they can remain in school if they wear a mask, get tested 3 to 5 days after the exposure, and monitor themselves for symptoms for 14 days. If the exposed student is unvaccinated but was distanced at least 3 to 6 feet apart, and both the infected student and the exposed student were masked, the exposed student can stay in school if they wear a mask and monitor for symptoms for 14 days. If the students are spaced less than 3 feet apart, but both are still wearing masks, the exposed student can stay in school if they test daily for 7 days and monitor for symptoms for 14 days. Or that student can stay home for 7 days and return after day 7 with a negative test or day 10 without testing. Now finally, if the exposed student or the positive student or both were not wearing masks, the exposed student must quarantine for 7 days. Now they may return after 7 days if they test negative or after 10 days without testing. This is where having everyone wear a mask will dramatically cut down on both infections and who needs to stay home. Now, any student who develops even minor symptoms at any point should stay home and get tested. Now, you can find the complete guidelines at clickondetroit.com. The State Health Department is providing schools with rapid testing kits free of charge through the My Safe Schools testing program in hopes of increasing the use of testing in schools.
So, Frank, but to be clear, these are once again guidelines rather than mandates, which kind of changes the enforcement of them.
Yeah, these are guidelines, Devin, which basically means it's going to be up to local health departments and school districts to determine if they're followed. Remember, the ultimate goal, though, is to reduce the risk of COVID spreading in schools while keeping as many kids in class as possible.
Let's hope so. All right, Doc. Well, those